Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all must be fine. Welcome to Iqra English School. This is your class 5th NCERT book Looking Around, and we are learning the first chapter, Super Senses. This is the fourth part of the chapter. In the third part, we have learned that the animals and birds make sound and send messages to give an alarm to other animals and birds. By making sound, they try to alert to the animals and birds from the danger. Now, we will read here. Dolphins also make different sound to give messages to each other. Scientists believe that many animals have a special language of their own. Of course, we can say that the animal cannot speak, so they cannot tell their feelings, but they can understand well if there is any danger is about to come. Even they can understand if there is an earthquake or a storm about to come. Like that, dolphin also feel the danger, and it give alarm to other fishes to be alert from the danger. And of course, there are many animals, and I can say that all the animals can understand the language of other animal, and that is why they can understand their sound of alert. Can you understand the sound of some animals? Which animals? Of course, we can understand the sound of cat, dog, crow, cow. Many animals are there whose sound we can understand. Do some animals understand your language? Which ones? If there is any pet animal we have, then it can understand our language. If there would be it would be a cat, dog, a parrot, or anyone. Say it with sound. Just like birds and dolphins, you can also make your own language of sound for give message. Remember, you have to talk to your friend with only sound or no words. How and when will you need to give an alarm call? For example, when the teacher is coming to the classroom, if a teacher is coming to the classroom, then you can make a sound of beep, beep and trin, trin. Now we will read this sleep waking of lizards. Some animals go into a long deep sleep in certain season. Then they are not seen for many months. Have you noticed that during the cold season you cannot see any lizard in the house? Where do you think they have gone? In the cold season, because of being so much cold, the lizard go into a warmer place and sleep. And not only the winter season, in summer season some animals also go into a deep sleep. Now I will read about the animal that is called sloth. It looks like a bear, but it is not. It is a sloth. It spends almost 17 hours a day sleeping while hanging upside down on a tree. The sloth eats the leaf of the same tree on which it lives. It hardly needs anything else. When it has eaten enough leaf from that tree, it moves to the nearby tree. Sloth live for about 40 years, and in that time they move around only 8 trees. Once a week it comes down from the tree to relieve itself. So we have learned about the animal sloth that look like a bear, but really it is not. And this is the laziest animal, that he do not eat anything else. He just eat the leaf of the tree on which he hangs, and he do not try to change the tree. Even then he lives 40 years, but he do not change more than 8 trees in his life. And once in a week he just come down from the tree, and after some time he again climb on the tree and hangs upside down. In the fifth part of the chapter, we will learn about the sleeping time of the sloth. We have already read here that the sloth sleep 17 hours a day. So we will read about the sleeping time of a sloth. So now we will meet in the fifth part of the chapter.